radio so kasa na nye easy nti nye obi ana ya na owo sa akokodro na odi ebe kasa Belinda na edi sika ne unzu betimi adi bi na Friday she answer be for phone wa dial *281#. *281#. Now what you see option 2 now what you the number of ticket betimi atwa unso ubetimi aka winners no na you say check 200 cedis bonus bebre e dey amanko for I think around 50 nti ene dey we ho at least we nyes kakakra e dey akofi nti twabi na di said the Belinda edinisi ene ne ka se wanya 2000 onim do de be kra e bi kwa wo bi de unyes kana wo de be ye dada e wo trim the answer ubetu anamo na wotimi atwabi rich ene Friday na say me ba Friday ya na be say me din command to form because a Friday na I me ba with a lot of me be say me conversations on Friday I am more engaging enti wa wutie me ne wa wo hwe no through rich and me ne mo ba be dis ankomo we about no ma bi akokoso e wo football mo enche ye bia me de bia me ka say rich adia e di manipa e ensesa he but eno so ni ade a eye permanent emanipa eya na impempi no sene yete no ye benya nankete saa se obi soja sense ya eya na enye obi ana oye responsive to it because ye nya ya nkete de yete ya but ye twemu tan ya emre ko nanim no na ensesa ye so eba ni ye sua de na ye improve ye ho ene ade. Now in football, so football clips now. Which now wanted to do enough football. You could clearly see that there have been a lot of changes in football. And the International Football Association Board, the friend IFAB, almost say Emra Edema Football. Edema too just say a free next season echo. So who goalkeeper of football more? Na se ochibo na hold on to the ball 8 seconds na se delay no yenje corner ntia
8 seconds
8 seconds 8 se goalkeeper chibo na ball ni kuta wa release ball no na ball ni tibi kuta 8 seconds yenje corner ntia sa goalkeeper na okuta ball ni team enti free next season echo the ebe realize say yes so boy you be who say goalkeeper no promo say on me release ball because there's an 8-second ruler rich say one here you be corner imagine say only Arsenal onim say Arsenal spent ba kupa say was specializing in corner kicks na only neighbor game rich na enye corner omuno ma ball na wa ba to corner na goalkeeper ati ball. Now in his bid to delay, while holding on to the ball more than 8 seconds, Niaje connect yao. Na ya tu kona na gebe magehe sana se saliba mabe hedia so ebe ya oyapa. Into a free next season ekono, we are going to see goalkeepers omube release balls no very very quickly. Now rich, ayana impempi no. The changes in the football rules mono. Are proposed by football people and stakeholders. Gerard Piqué Edeba Kubiaba. And I don't know how you think about it. But for me, Mini Piqué has been 5,000%.
Okay.
Which Piqué say yebo league. Yebo tournament we say World Cup, Euros, AFCON. Na your league format anymore. The award system no say say yebo game na so yebo draw. Yes, 2 teams no mabo draw no. Obi abenya 1 point. Say team back win ya, obi abenya 3 points. Which eno Nigeria pick atena sesa no se derby. Osusu say football and Conforma Stadium ebe chesi take it and raho betena ho just to be entertained. Na se obi chesi Kaba Stadium na obetena stadium ho rich na oshe 90 minutes of football na go obi play game ni mu a onu no susu ye ne say two teams no mabo na obi antimi anhye goal no they don't deserve say mo obi a 1 point because game na a draw eni kwaso obi anya point 0 points and o mo fa kofi simply because football na entertainment no goals and ma football ye fair goals in tina supporters ever stadium ever have na sa oye team na sa ye be how na two teams in ye 90 minutes na obi a enhye goal dia they don't deserve 1 point na omo draw the moment. Now Rich, this is my take and son of a busao.
Okay.
First of all, Rich, there is a reason why even football awards are more tilted to goal scorers. There is a reason why even football transfer markets strikers more than etching defenders. There is a reason why, Rich, in the heydays of Real Madrid, Temena Cristiano Ronaldo, so Real Madrid the trophy we are. Everybody is tilting towards Cristiano Ronaldo. Any goals are for Real Madrid to win that trophy. People barely mention Sergio Ramos. There is a reason. There is a reason why Jurgen Klopp team about building with Liverpool. Rich say omubo game no share. People don't really put premium on Van Dijk. Any Matip Majum here. Almost Sadio Mane, Bobby Firmino, Mohamed Salah. Why? Because they score the goals. And say in football, see awards, do football discussion, ma obi recognition. In Pimpino, omo share goals. And more of the mentioning than omo defending. Look at even the Barcelona team of Sergio Busquets money adeno. Look. Everybody was mentioning Messi. How many times and I want to say Nkofoka or no Piqué and I say pure massive. Yeah, but they were playing very, very well. But your goals, simply because that is the blood of football. Goals gives you entertainment. Rich, I'm not saying all proposes are there. Throughout his career was a defender too. And a man Piqué a proposal very, very interesting. It should have come from a striker. But there is someone who played his career as a defender. It's on him how important that the departments in area to football. But Rich, Gerard Piqué say to him, football is entertainment, and entertainment to the crowd a scoring of goals in games. It is a bobo we na say ending in a draw. Not draw no any 1-1, 2-2. Name a 0-0. And me and fa points and map any of the teams, because you couldn't offer any entertainment to the game. Now, Rich, in terms of football philosophy, there were times there were hot debates. Pep Guardiola for and Jose Mourinho for. More Pep Guardiola and they say, look, football must be played with a champagne philosophy. Impossible, managing fit, yamba attacking football, yen show goals, yamba entertainment football. Then you also Mourinho for say, Dabi. Football is not all about champagne football. Football is about pragmatism. See, a good game anymore. Your strategy be to prevent your opponent from scoring now. And also can football no. Rich, what Gerard Piqué is saying is say a kobo football match. Sa coach is na omo tactics nyina and say boy ya kwakobo you know. Ye kobo game no simply because ye mpese your opponent be say.
A typical example, Diego Simeone.
Yes.
There be a put premium to the defenders.
Samara da ismo. Yes. Media game yam kwakobo we oni mboche me. Eti media ne say me ko come to atum. Me man shame 90 minutes be so no. See about draw menya 1 point on so nya 1 point. PK say that thing and my football entertainment in the woman no enwie pay. Rich, I agree with him. And Kebema football the papa. And Kafifi will not come and stand on a tactical board and do a lot of low blocks analysis. Because Ubo low block 90 minutes. Now when you counter attack and go shegua, unya point. We will not see, for example, Southampton, Elbow Abia Liverpool in the Premier League. na Southampton coach say oh ye underdogs into game na ye come no we are going to defend 90 minutes ye betimi nya 1 point bi di akofie. We will not see that. We will not see teams play Barcelona and say ye say they are very good. And ye say ye Real Vallecano ye could defend against them. See a bon obia and shebia me the 1 point kofie. Football must reward or more the entertainment aspect of the game to give to the supporters. No, Rich, manager PK agent.
So entertainment, is it about goals nation?
Yes.
Na bo bonus way. Obi so be catch us and me bastard you ma. For instance, obi to say Kudus Mohammed. The Kudus here players no but the ball retention here.
Yes.
The kuta ball no.
But dan no ho.
I'm for body so ye. I know the mum person entertainment no.
Say obi jibo or dan no ho otwetwe na say the end product in anko goals
enye de
useless. Rich Yako Stadium say yeti baba sports stadium yeti wodi once in a one obi adan no bosulia na semonaba. But Rich, you and I say the stadium gets on its feet when there is a goal scored. Bonya touch him say Kim goal no bia so it's as if say this is the reason why you better take it here ba stadium. So go to the stadium and that is the reason why in America and go will be play basketball to soccer no because almost say soccer you can go to stadium and watch a nil game 90 minutes. Watch Esca stadium obi a shego obi anu asoyako yes team na obi fe ne ya shego no ya award 1 point Jira Pinke si dabi
okay say Jira Pinke person catch say say bo game ni wie na e nil goalless and dem yemu obi a
yes
but say be
1-1
and there you be a yem form point 1-1
because what say go
okay
at least he has given omo mucha take it who say Rich PK real football he has become a businessman. And in business he is looking at football as an entertainment product. A club in the first one you better product no our products no are attractive to ma sell am. Rich imagine say obi a okoto football take it bia ese ni team say bo me kwa kohwe die there is 85% say bo na me kwa kohwe me hu go because as I am running here, then you will not see teams come and say, maybe I come and talk to me defend throughout the 90 minutes. Because when you say, I guess I don't want to say go on your point to be here. So, somebody buy into force, but who rich, who can use of in stadium? In only say the people or to take it across stadium. There is 80 to 85% chance. Bona America question. They are at a point in time. Make me so your team go because two teams at a point. Every me up ABM Eddie Ashego.
Obi no be so bobo game maybe na.
Now you are that point exactly. If you meet me for it to me campaign, you training the whole of the week. Rich, a boka go away just to go and play 0-0 because up 1 point. Will you go through the whole of the week? Rich, camp and travel to away and say member no menya point back kra fam be fie just because I was too defensive. JRP can say is at the Rich.
Okay, I'm from today. Almost a side of issue ne deba and said now I can very very interactive. Now I brand to see a friend as rough. I see I disagree on that. I watch a lot of games with low goals, but very enjoyable. Liverpool PSG gave us two in saying 210 minutes, but it was enjoyable. I've watched a lot of games where there have been 4 goals, but not well entertained, especially the EPL. Please, who didn't enjoy ATM versus Real Madrid second leg, where we had just a goal in 120 minutes?
First leg of PSG, any Liverpool Park the Prince. You bought game new. Every interaction about the game, and they say the game had everything except goals. Say, Bona Yabono. Say, your body, what's your bobia? Not a goals number. Rich, and you pay it. Nobody can tell me say Mache Barcelona Paris Saint-Germain Vitinha mo bo pass Pedri mo bo pass or mo tre. But one me when the game ends 0-0. You will be entertained when after all the dribbling they are able to score goals at the end of the attack. And yet that the same person or this message will it be same? Game no share or pack between Liverpool and Paris Saint-Germain. 2 legs not there. Senka every game be and they 3-3. The same person. Comparing to 1-0 now saying which of it and can be any
so Ayala Mamusawi. Asema ye kan football community.
Yes.
Football no your department, goalkeeper, defense, midfield, any attack. Which one department as say can was which is the defense. Obi so make catch say. Sa department no so no. So obi so yire no my game near there. Go across stadium. No nya defender bi a you striker bi so many game. O many go a. And my game no to some extent no. I'm also yet there.
Rich, have you one notice say in the last 10 years, most of the rules about football munina is to make the game more scoring game.
A bit flow.
Yes. And you say, Obi and making sure say a clear goal scoring opportunity and yaman record. Simply because the organizers of football and say a goals at the end of the day. Without the goals, so yes, you can praise Obi say Sergio Ramos, Virgil van Dijk, Puyol, Marquinhos, great defenders, Thiago Silva, the act of defending, Diego Gordon, Omuma defense AFA. Look at Maldini, Alessandro Nesta, Cannavaro. Omu were doing football not because they were able to score goals, but because they were able to prevent goals. But Rich, in totality, even the Italian team did 2006 World Cup. So now Omen team and Koshe goals are. And coming to me winning games. It's a tournament, you know. You say, oh, Italy considered 1 goal. That was Zinedine Zidane penalty now or Boshe Buffon. And that is the only goal they considered in open play. But which after defending very, very well, they still needed Grossomo. They still needed Francesco Totti. They still needed Alessandro Del Piero to score the goals to make Italy team win matches.
Okay, now listen to Kwame Mauli Benjamin. I say, as much as I agree with PK, I beg to differ. I say, okay, I beg to differ a bit. You should not also forget if one team have one advantage over the opponent, they still need. Okay, sorry. I say, Mami Sanfa will be. I say, okay, Mami starting for send a me the message. No say, as much as I agree with PK, I beg to differ a bit. It should not also forget if one team had advantage over the opponent, they will still defend. So it should. I'm saying the message and chat and but say me all can I say I was what say. As much as say born a person will be sent. Who team now will send so no. And so defense is solid so that you baby and you can also win.
You see the I say when we say teams are obsessed about 3 points. And if I call any message he's so obsessed about results in the game. What PK is talking about is not about teams getting results in the game.
But go.
He is talking about the product now and the supporters. And your results in the game. But I supporter will be attracted to the game because the game is entertaining with goals.
Okay.
And for instance, work of us some Allardyce I say, you feel relegation a Bonkana with them. What will he do? He will defend. So on your could have no head about Kushawa. On so bet many points. So Oshia Manchester, Oshia City, Oshia Liverpool, Oshia Arsenal, Oshia Tottenham Hotspur, Oshia Chelsea. Maybe I say, okay, I can get draw against these teams and accumulate 1 point. And see, that is results in the game. and what you need to do in the game to get it. But Piqué is saying, sad approach, and yet entertaining the common football fan. So, for instance, me rich, you are subscribing to your pay TV. You are costing Manchester United against Everton. You are trying a TV, you are showing the whole of 90 minutes with some Allardyce as Everton coach.
I'll go to
90 minutes. So results, so on your game, one. And what every Everton fan say, oh, you are both drawn. But which the biggest spectatorship now, we want to see goals to be entertained.
Come on, you can't see the but Black Hawk wisdom must say, in all honesty, this will never make sense. Defenders and goalkeepers deserve a reward for playing well.
For playing well.
Yeah.
So I'm preventing goals. Look, na upon game na game ne 2-1. Say just obi am yansen do what you be. You get the point.
Obi
yes.
Reward no.
But a couple game na after 90 minutes reach. Ye as consumers of the product Yabani be dia that say oh defenders ni omadwuma ye nti bo na ekọ he no after 90 minutes obi an bia. That is a little bit rich.
Enya dia kan no
mame nka bibi 1 minute bi.
Okay.
And ye be fie ya so I will skip the Champions League thing no. Right.